Hi, these are our cosmos. Our cosmos are a beautiful flower. As you can see, they come in all different colours, sizes, shapes. Some have stripes on them. Some grow to really tall, but they're really good for attracting the bees as well. They're just real jewels of the garden. I find the way to make sure as with any flower, if you deadhead them, get rid of the dead heads, cut them off, just like this, and this will promote more flower growth. But yes, cosmos are a favourite of mine.